What's up mga kabit guys? May mga kasama ako ngayon special guest. Of course, kilalang kilala naman si coach and mentor Marvin, GERMO, and of course, ito guys, may-ari ito ng isang matinig company, yung Kim Kenso, kung na tinatawag para siyang bot sa Binance. Pero ang pag-uusapan natin tonight is dun sa mga beginners, okay, mga gusto matuto mag-trade kasi mostly mga nanonood sa atin kila mentor Marvin, GERMO is mga bagong subscribers na gusto matuto mag-trade. So the question is, for those people who want to engage in trading or learn trading, like beginners. Let's start with Sir Marvin. What can you say for our newbies, our beginners? Literal, walang alam, but really want to enter into the crypto space, crypto or forex, they want to trade. What can you say about them?
So trade, they will trade on their own, or they will copy trade, or they will use a bot?
Any. But of course, dun muna sa wala munang bot, like manual trading. Okay. I'm a beginner. I want to enter the crypto space. Gusto kong mag-trade. Ano ang mga dapat ko bang gawin?
Okay.
Ano yung una kong dapat?
The last accent, guys. Someone, the English is so grabe.
Magaling mag-English.
Guys, comment below sa prowess. Learn technical analysis. Start with candlesticks. Then draw support and resistance. Those two, very basic but very important.
Yeah.
And then, but you have to know your time frame: 15-minute candlesticks, or one hour candlestick, or 1 day candlesticks. And it depends if you're busy. So busy, maybe longer candlesticks, longer time horizon also. Not busy, you can watch it. With candlesticks, you can even do leverage. When you do leverage also, it's scarier. But if you're starting, don't do leverage. Don't do leverage when you're starting. Only spot or VX1. But don't do leverage, don't short yet. And then last tip, candlestick support and resistance, then do 100 trades. The only way to get better is to practice repeatedly over and over. When you practice repeatedly, the skill is gain the skill and you gain the experience also.
Correct. Guys, tandaan nyo.
Gusto ko English. Give me the English. Guys, below for the English.
Mapapa-English na ako pag kasama ko to. I don't really speak in English. Next time, I'm gonna ask you a very quick summary guys. Candlestick, learn technical analysis, and of course, hindi lang yon. Syempre, yung market condition, mga indicators and ano pa ba yun?
What I do sa indicators is to support lang.
Support
the drawing of the support and resistance. For example, if I draw, if the line coincides with, say, the 20-day moving average, then it confirms my own drawing also. And then it's nice also if you know how to use MACD. It's better if it's above 0. If, for example, at the support it bounces, then it's above 0 also. Then it's more confirmation also that the trade is better as well. So things like that. And but there's still a lot to use. One of my favorites is when the market is down.
Bonus tip.
Going down, you can use RSI, oversold levels. RSI oversold levels cross up at the support. That's very interesting, especially if there's a large sell down. But you need to temper your emotions, because when the market is down, it's easy to be scared. And even if the RSI and it's at the support telling you to buy, but your emotions tell you get scared, you don't get to practice it, or you don't get to try it. So start with what you're comfortable with, and then you can go from there.
Tama guys. O yan huwag kayo mag-alala, tatagalogin kayo. Okay, but
Pakitranslate.
I'll translate in Tagalog. Sa madaling salita, yung RSI, mahalaga yan guys, no? Lalo na kung siya ay parang tumeterno or sumasabay sa MACD, sa ginawa na support and resistance ni Coach Marvin, GERMO. So, yun ang pinakamatindi. And now guys, we will interview.
Hindi niya alam kung binibenta na natin siya.
Guys, he's from Vietnam. Okay. Magaling na trader din to. And he makes his own bot na. Gumawa na rin siya ng personal bot.
Lambo.
Yes. And for me, okay din ang bot as long as profitable siya. So, dapat i-test mo muna yan, gaya ng sabi ni Sir Marvin. Brother, can you introduce yourself to our audience? Basically, ito, mga traders and beginners. Yeah. So, what can you say about the newbies?
Hi everyone, I come from Vietnam, and I'm so happy to be here to say something. Besides learning technical analysis, we also should learn risk management. Why? Because we learn how to protect account asset before maximize profit. So this management is not really so difficult. So we should learn from YouTube or Google, and learn how to risk management.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, we should think risk management before thinking profit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Risk management first to protect, of course, your portfolio.
Yeah.
English, oh my God.
More of people.
Alam mo talaga totoo.
More
Pang
of,
call center.
more of people think profit first. So when their asset is corrupt, corrupt, so they cannot continue trading, cannot continue make profit. So I want should change our mind.
Yo.
Yeah, we should protect our asset first.
Correct.
Yeah,
Oh,
before
guys,
thinking profit. Yeah.
naintindihan nyo ba? Kung hindi, ito.
Translate.
So, combination. Number 1, technical analysis, yung sinabi ni Sir Marvin Germo. And then, sinabi rin yun ni Brother Jun, right? So,
Ba't ba siya naging June?
Hindi, this is the name of the company. Right?
Okay.
So, his nickname, Jun. So, Jun. Si Jun pala.
Naging driver sa labas niya.
Anyway, si
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Jun. So sabi niya, pinaka-importante daw guys, risk management. Kasi baliwala naman yung portfolio mo, mag-aaral ka ng trading, hindi mo naman inaral yung paano mo makokontrol yung loss mo. Okay? So, I suggest mag-demo account ka muna to practice para hindi mo na real money, right? So use demo account first to practice the risk management, right?
Yes.
So yun ang mga sobrang importante. And even yung how you handle your emotions and your mind, right? Your decision making.
Yeah.
So kasi it will affect your decision kapag ka yung ano mo, mental mo or yung emotion mo hindi mo na control. So magde-decide ka on your emotion. Possible matalo ka. So yun ang maganda sinabi nila. Mag-technical analysis ka, combine mo ng trading psychology.
Yeah, combine.
Handle your emotions. Risk management is very important. Grabe. Matitindi yung mga nakukuha nating tips from this.
I will ask a question.
Ayan,
You
patay.
should answer with your very eloquent English also. What percent best to cut loss?
1%.
Yeah, cut loss. How do you?
Wow, it's I mean depend on your strategy. Yeah. But we have a formula to calculate.
I want your strategy because your strategy very rich.
My strategy is about 20% for one trade.
One currency. One trade.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
But it's very dynamic.
Okay.
Dynamic.
Yeah.
Okay. But 20% at the wick or at the close of the wick?
From entry to stop loss.
So if it wicks, you sell.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
Yeah,
Wick
medyo
to the-
masakit.
go up.
Medyo
For one
masakit.
order.
Okay.
Medyo
Yeah.
masakit.
Not for account. One order, not account.
Ah.
And one order
Hindi
maybe
per trade. Per one portfolio,
Per
20% ang expose.
order.
yeah.
Per order. So kunyari per billion.
Order
Per
maybe
billion, 20%.
yeah, order maybe 1% or
Portfolio.
yeah, or 5%
Nakaman ka, okay lang.
for account.
Yeah.
Not 20%
Okay.
for account.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
good. It's good na guys. So guys, newbies, mga nanonood dyan or kahit mga traders na, dun pa rin tayo pupunta sa foundation. Kahit magaling ka na mag-trade, kailangan alam mo yung mga foundation na yan. Kasi yung experience naman in trading, ano yan eh, gagaling ka while nagtitrade ka na. Okay, yung instinct mo, yung basa mo ng chart, mas gumagaling ka habang nagtitrade ka ng paulit-ulit. At natuto ka, of course, sa mga mentors natin. Yan.
Last question.
Okay, I will show you.
What do you like more? Bitcoin, wife? Or wife?
Bitcoin or wife? Fast talk ba yan?
I do too.
Mga puwet na kami dito guys, pero we are very willing to share. Ang dami nga pala mga influencers dito from all over the world. From Brazil, merong Vietnam, Pakistan, lahat na, buong mundo.
Taga
May galing pa
Batangas
Dubai.
din, no? Taga Batangas.
Batangas,
Yeah.
Bataan.
Just see one example. One order take from 1% to 10%
Oh.
account.
Papakita namin to sa camera guys ha.
Yeah, sometimes we take 1% account, sometimes 2%.
Okay.
Yeah, it's depend on formula.
Yun naman
And
sinasabi
it's
niya.
dynamic.
Bot, parang bot yun guys. Parang API, I'm sure yun na-try nyo na no. So sa Binance kakabit nyo lang yung bot through API. Dati nag-DGP na rin tayo. So yun yung mga possible na gawin din natin to minimize yung risk. Kung wala kang time, you don't have any time to trade or to study trading, you can just also try yung mga ganyan. But be careful pa din, okay? Do your own research before putting into or yung mga bot na yan, make sure na okay siya, profitable. Try sa minimal amount and then if it's profitable, and then you add if you want. Okay? So guys, yun muna for today. Okay, marami pa. Ilang days kami dito. March 28 pa lang hanggang April 1 kami dito sa Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Ayan. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, brother. Sir Marvin Germo in the house. Let's go!